What's going on, guys? Just woke up, don't mind the sleepy face, but today I'm over at my friend Beto's with the blue ST, and today we have this Borla exhaust. It sounds really good on video, so I'm kind of excited to see what it sounds like in person. So right now he's lifting the car up, and then we're gonna get it started. You can watch my COD video to see how I installed it, but right now I'm just gonna show you some snippets of it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like out of the box, and then on the car, and of course what it sounds like. So here we go. So let's open up this package and see what the exhaust looks like. Go for it, bro. Ah, that was easier than I thought.
We got here. We got clamps.
Let me see that.
Oh, we got a hat.
Got some clamps.
We got a hat.
What? They gave you a hat? That's dirty. That's tight. They gave him a hat. Borla gives you a freaking hat.
First thing out.
What is this?
Well, it's probably goes over the pipe.
Yeah, this is the one that bends over the rear suspension right here. And then this part will probably be the tailpipe area. So I'll put this here. I don't know what to call this. I'll just say mid-pipe. This should be the mid-pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see that?
I'm not sure if it's right.
Yeah, it looks good condition, man. No bends or nothing. Alright, I'm gonna put this on top of the water hose. Then we got the muffler with the tailpipe. So, Borla Touring. Let me see. Here, take this off.
Okay.
I'll just put it down. Right? Alright, and here is the part everyone will be seeing. Oh, damn. Pretty big openings.
Let's do this.
Alright, so that's the exhaust. Let's put this baby on. Real quick, just for listening's sake, I'm going to give you this out of the stock exhaust so we get a pretty good comparison. Go for it, bro. Just hit it with your hand. Alright, stock. Alright, so we got the bolts that hook up to the downpipe loosened. We got the bracket that holds the center of the exhaust up off. And next we're about to cut it and take off the exhaust. Just to show you again where you're supposed to cut, there's this right where it bends right there, and it goes through, loops through the suspension. You don't want to cut it right there, so right there, you want to cut it right there. Let me see. the blade broke like crazy. Oh god. It broke.
Bruh.
Alright, I don't know why it's always so hard, but we got the stupid exhaust off. And the muffler. So let's put this baby on. Alright, so we're putting the first pipe, hooking it up to the down pipe. Let's see. Can't really see, but we're putting the bolts on. And then we're gonna work our way down. Alright, so you may notice I'm wearing a different outfit. It's kind of weird, but the install was kind of taking a little bit too long, and I was running late for work. Well, I was running late for my early for work, so I had to go to work. Beto finished the rest of the install, so from what he's telling me, it sounds badass, but I want to see how it sounds compared to my exhaust. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound better. But yeah, he's coming over right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like from different areas of the car, like inside, outside, while driving, and all that. And yeah, let's go. All right, so Beto just got here. I'm pretty excited to hear the exhaust. What's going on, bro?
Hold on, let me get my kid out.
Oh, what? What's up, dude? Hey. Okay. Alright, so let me give you guys a good look at the exhaust. It's kind of hard to see under there, but right there you can see the Borla. Tips look a little bit bigger than mine. Yeah, that's the Borla exhaust right there. So let me turn it on, and then let's get some sounds from behind the car. Alright, so if you could hear this, this is going to be just parked, and then a little rev from inside the car, so you can see how it sounds. Hopefully you can hear it. So it sounds good, man. It sounds good. Okay, windows down. Alright, and then now I'm gonna get a little bit of a driving in the exhaust, see how it sounds. Alright. So my initial impressions of driving with the Borla exhaust is it sounds really good, but it's not that loud. I feel like my exhaust is a little bit louder, but this one sounds better. It has a kind of a more, I don't know, I can't explain it. It has more of like a little like the drone that it has. It sounds really good, and I don't know. It's quieter, but it sounds really good. So if you're looking for like a really nice sounding exhaust, but you don't want the like super loudness of it, I mean, you can't get like any better than this exhaust, because it sounds great, but it's just not that loud. But if you're looking for loud, this might not be your cup of tea. Alright, so that was the Borla exhaust. I want to thank Beto for letting me be in there for the install and getting some good footage of it. He's knocked out. But yeah, that's Beto's car. Little 15 stickers, but yeah, that was the Borla exhaust. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it sounds badass. A lot different than the Cobb exhaust. I mentioned that one because that's what I got, so I'm gonna go compare to that. So yeah, that's the Borla exhaust. Hope you guys like the video. See you guys on the next one. Deuces. Also, real quick, just like for the install, have the right tool. I mean, that cutter we used wasn't the best. It did the job, but if you can find the pipe cutter, the little chain thing that cuts it off, that's your best option, I think. But one more thing, if you haven't already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram should be somewhere. I know it's on my YouTube channel thing, but it'll also be the link below. And also, Beto, get over here, bro. What you gotta say?
Also, go follow my Instagram that I made for the crew, SoulCalST. Just SoulCal and then -ST. You'll see all the cars there.
Alright, so. Alright, guys. See you later.